Hey everybody, this is Pep. Usually Boris is there, but as this is Tech Bubble, we need bubbles. We're out. So Boris is gonna go get us a bottle of bubbles so we can drink it and talk about tech. Meanwhile, we eat these peanuts. Peanut. He's gonna be right here. That's Boris. Hey everybody, my name is Pep.
I'm Boris.
And this is Tech Bubble, Bubbles, talking tech etiquette. How do you deal with the what do I do's of tech?
I had an issue. I went to the toilet, just like here in the building. So yeah, I'm going through Instagram stories.
You're an Instagram dumper?
I am, totally. I get up to the toilet, wash my hands. I take 3 steps. I bump into a girl that I just watched all her stories on. And I blush. So I just look at her and go like, blah, blah, blah.
But she had no idea. You could have played it super cool.
I totally could have. I said like, this is kind of embarrassing because I was just on the toilet. I watched all your Instagram stories.
That's what you said?
I did.
I think Boris misplayed that one.
And then I said, and it's so weird that I feel guilty. I feel like a stalker, but it's just like what you do. And then she said, I posted that stuff. So it's not weird that you see it. And then she said, actually, I had a similar experience. I was at the supermarket, I bought my food, and then I recognized your daughter behind the cash register. I'm like, yeah, she works at the supermarket. And then this girl said, and I wanted to say to her like, hey! And then she realized like, yeah, but the only reason I know you is because I follow Boris on Instagram.
To be honest, I feel like hers is less creepy. She just knows your daughter from your Instagram. So here's the thing about guilt. You only feel guilty if you have something about which you feel guilty. So I don't think you felt guilty that you were looking at her Instagram. I think you feel guilty about what you were thinking while you were looking at her Instagram.
Sharp.
With your pants down.
That's not the question.
And the smell of your own
is,
fecal matter. Because there's nothing more erotic than your own shit.
Point is, why do you feel awkward about it? Would it have been normal for her to say to my daughter, I've seen you on your father's Instagram? It should not be weird, but it kind of feels weird. Are we in a transition period where it still feels weird to just say, I know everything about you because I follow you on Instagram?
I don't feel like that's weird at all. I feel like the reason you felt weird was, it was weird. And that's tech etiquette. Hope we helped you.